Hi, friends. Today we're doing lesson 19, session 2. So we're jumping around this week between lesson 19 and lesson 20. We're only going to do about 4 to 6 lessons this week. I think they're kind of easy, so don't freak out if you see a lot of lessons this week, or sessions, I should say, because like I said, they're all pretty easy. So, and I'm picking which ones I think are the best for you guys to do. If a grown-up at home would like you to jump in and do the rest that I skipped, then that is up to the grown-up at home and they're the boss, okay? So, but today we are on page 439 and we're doing lesson 19, session 2. It says, what is a 10? And as you can see, a 10 can either be all lumped together or 10 ones. Remember our pair video? They take 10 pairs and they put them into a bag. And then they take 10 of those bags of 10 and put them into a barrel of 100. So down below it says model it, show 3 10s. And over here you're going to use 10s rods. A rod is like that stick. And then over here you're going to use ones units. Okay, so that's these little guys or those little guys, and a rod is like that. Okay, this would be a rod and this would be a unit, okay, or a cube. All right, so use 10 rods to show 3 10s. 1, 2, 3. 3 10s. Okay, you could also draw your rods like that. I draw them as sticks because it's faster, it's a shortcut. So I just really quickly showed you 3 10s. Now at the bottom, it says 3 10s is the same as 3 groups of 10. Okay, it says 3 10s is the same as 3 groups of 10. 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3 sticks of 10. That's what you're working on in lesson 19 is how many sticks of 10s are in 30 or in 40 or in 50, okay? Use ones units. Oh my gosh, I would have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, and there's a little bit of a gap in between those just because that was operator error on my mistake. But as you can see, I should have 30 of these little dots. I have 10 here, 20 here, 30 there if I skip count. So it says 3 10s is the same as 30 ones. Okay, here I took this group of 10 and I put it into a stick. Okay, so same thing. These are like compact and combined, and these are just blown up or expanded. Okay, awesome. The next page says count and write how many 10s. We're on page 440 in your math books. Count and write how many 10s. Count and write how many ones. Okay, so number 2 says 6 10s. So I'm going to erase that. And let's see. It says, okay. Okay, so we'll keep this as 10 rods and we'll keep this as ones units, okay? So here I have, it says number 2, 6 10s is the same as, so I have 6 10s is the same as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups of 10. Now I would add 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now I have 6 groups of 10 is the same as 6 groups, or sorry, 6 10s is the same as 6 groups of 10. All right, what the book did. And then it says 6 10s is the same as how many ones? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Oops. 60. So 6 tens is the same as 60 ones. All right. Number 3, it says 7 tens. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 7 tens is the same as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups of 10. So hopefully this is starting to look familiar from our morning work where we would do this counting in base 10. And now you have 7 tens is the same as how many ones? I left the 0 there because it's going to be a double digit number, which means it's 2 numbers, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 7 tens is the same as 70 ones. In each one of these sticks, there's 10 of these guys, okay? 5 tens is the same as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. There I'm counting by tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of those tens. Now I'm going to count the ones because 5 tens is the same as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 ones. Now it says discuss it. 5 tens is the same as 50 ones because within each of these groups of 10, there are 10 ones. So these are all hiding in each one of those sticks. Now the green page is the next page, it's 441. And up at the top it says, remember this is 1 through 5, not 1 minus 5. So it says, look at the example, then solve problems 1 through 5, okay? Example, 110 is the same as one group of 10, yep. 110 is the same as 10 ones. Fill in the blanks. 3 tens is the same as blank groups of 10. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. So 3 tens is the same as 3 groups of 10. 3 tens is the same as how many ones? Well, this is a group of 10, 20, 30. So in 3 tens, there are 30 ones. Okay. Number 2, circle the name that means the same as 2 tens. So the first one is 20 groups of 10. Oh my gosh, if I had 20 groups of 10, that'd be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. That's 10 groups of 10. 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. So 20 groups of 10 is 200. 20 ones is the same as 20. 2 tens is the same as 20 ones. So you're going to circle 20 ones. All right, on page 442, circle the name that means the same as 5 tens. So if you have 5 tens, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. So is it 5 groups of 10 or 5 ones? Well, nowhere in here do I have 5 ones because that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones equals 5. Do I have 5 groups of 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the correct answer is 5 groups of 10. Okay. All right. Number 4, fill in the blanks. 6 tens is the same as blank groups of 10s. So I count by my fingers if you need to for number 4. Fill in the blanks. 6 tens is the same as blank groups of 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 6 groups of 10. So that's number 4. 6 groups of 10. And then it's asking you how many ones. 6 tens is the same as 60 ones. Okay, because you're saying 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 60 times. So you have 60 ones. Number 5, circle groups of 10, right? How many? So I would circle 1 group of 10, 2 groups of 10, 3, and 4. So I have 4 groups, which I know is 4 tens. Okay. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40, but it's asking me how many groups of 10. I only have 4 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inside there's 10. So there's 4 tens, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10. Awesome. We're going to jump from this session to session 4. So be prepared for that because I feel like I said, these are pretty easy compared to what we've been doing. So good luck. Have fun. Bye, guys.